Baminto baboge tutumbia mole. Tigango tukwana nindolo se mbia mole. Mbia mole. Etimu ekoroketi ya rech. Aya. Ndoche mwacha mwenzi boli. Nando mwaragile. Aya. Onye wacha bona gae kwa iwe ndage gekurwe kwa mago ganya. Na botura aruge baadaye. Ditangani. Allow me to introduce. There is a team of Mheshimiwa Kibagendi who is out of the country. I know. Ile timu iko wapi? Busu mama juu. Hii team ya Mheshimiwa Kibagendi. Kwa hivyo Mheshimiwa Kibagendi yuko pamoja na sisi, yuko Rwanda kwa mchezo ya bunge. Nilikuwa nimempigia. Kwa hivyo asante Mheshimiwa Kibagendi obakwaniriye. Mbia mono na muisaranza. Allow me abantu aminto moko nganjiranso ame speech mbwa tegege songo imanye wokwaneke kusimo wancha boygo tuma wokwaneke kusingo raigo. The county commissioner, honorable members who are present, honorable speaker of the county assembly, honorable members of the Kisii County Assembly present, chairperson County Public Service Board, members of the County Executive Committee, distinguished guests, na wananchi watukufu. Amjambo. Amjambo. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to join you all and all Kenyans in celebrating this year's edition of Jamhuri Day. Importantly, to commemorate 60 years of independence of our beloved country, Kenya. Jamhuri is a moment for us to remember the day Kenya attained self-rule after a bloody struggle by the freedom fighters who we will always honor and cherish. Indeed, our devolved system encompasses 48 governments in one nation as entrenched as citizen-oriented governance structure for national development. And it is through the spirit of devolution that we have had to observe this year's celebration here at Mosocho, just as we have been holding our celebrations in other sub-counties away from Kisii municipality on a rotational basis. Indeed, we did consult the county commissioner, myself. We had to have it in Masaba. We said Masaba, there have been many occasions. We decided to have it here at Mosocho. We will endeavor to involve every county citizen in matter development to improve lives of our people as envisioned by our freedom fighters, both in the struggle for independence and later in the agitation for democracy and good governance, which gave rise to multipartyism and devolution. And this is my transformative agenda for Kisii County, is always inclusive, with public being central in all county government decisions. So as to attain meaningful development and service delivery, we aligned our CIDB to mirror national government development program and transformative agenda envisioned in the Simba Manifesto. Our overall focus, in tandem with the national government program, is on a food production, water service, infrastructure, affordable housing, agri-processing, and universal health care. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now give only but a few highlights on what we have proposed, all purpose to achieve for the people in our transformative agenda for Kisii County. In agriculture, which is the key to our economy, we are empowering or employing measures towards supporting value addition on local produce through agro-processing. Profit from this or from their sweat. In this regard, we must adapt technology to strengthen the key value chain. To achieve this, we are engaging investors and facilitating farmers to access quality planting, material, and extension services, among other efforts. Working closely with investors, we have already operationalized the avocado and the banana processing factory at H.E. I urge farmers to plant more good quality avocado and the banana varieties and deliver to the factories for processing to sustain the industry. To enhance the banana and the avocado production, we have set up a bulk nursery to nurture over 1 million seedlings at H.E at any given time. This to ensure availability of quality planting material to farmers at a subsidized rate. Let me put this on ekekusi. Abantu bamintu korunsobis na agende H.E na bekire nasali ennenepi ese region ya Nyanza na part of Rift Valley. Naende nasari ye etota tuso kichi avocado ebimeli emiliyoni yemo. Toya abantu baitu basumeke na liye factory liye iguru ya avocado ekorosia mabuta erosia mabuta. Through value addition, farmers will get more returns in terms of cost value per unit of bananas and avocado sold, as opposed to the trend where farmers are selling at a throwing away price through middlemen. On the revival pyrethrum production, we have partnered with the Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya, PPCK, to initiate a drive to have farmers in potential areas to return to pyrethrum farming. Now, addressing challenges facing our farmers in the coffee sector, my administration is working closely with the coffee societies to revamp the coffee market operation. We have set up demonstration plots for crop husbandry at the 59 coffee societies, and I recently distributed 39,000 coffee seedlings for the purpose. In order to achieve greater strides in agricultural sector to boost farmers' income and nutrition among populations, aquaculture is increasingly becoming a viable alternative, as well as complementing a crop and livestock production in the county. Here, we are sensitizing farmers on fish-borne farming, which requires only a small portion of land, capitalizing on good rainfall distribution for water. On dairy farming, the county government is focusing on farmer sensitization and promotion of intensive live production through zero grazing. We are promoting the uptake of artificial insemination, AI, program for quality stock so as to ensure sustainable milk production. In order to avail avenues for farmer capacity building, we are revamping the Kisii Agricultural Training Center, H.E, to be a one-stop demonstration center for training and skill transfer to farmers in the region. It is sad to note that from recent research carried out across the country, it was discovered that our soil is acidic at 60%. As a county, we are taking steps to remedy this and maximize crop production by employing intervention recommendation by the expertise. Ladies and gentlemen, in the health sector, as promised during the campaign, we are improving existing health facilities and investing in universal health care. This has been achieved by the increased budgetary allocation to this sector and the partnership with the donors. Our endeavor is to equip and post staff to all our health facilities in the county. We have resolved to ensure drugs and non-pharmaceutical are procured and delivered to all health facilities or hospitals. Already with the 4 wards, we will do the construction of those roads that we budgeted for. As you are aware, we have altered the mode of procurement of roads and infrastructure services. Effectively, this financial year, we have sought to completely have only 9 contractors undertaking roads project on each sub-county on ward load basis. This is in order to instill efficiency and discipline, quality and standard in our road work, ensure easy of supervision and management given inadequate staffing in the terms of certified engineers and technical staff, ensure that only contractors with the capacity are awarded to contract, eliminate the instance of pre-case contractors without capacity who may end up doing substandard works with no value for taxpayer money, just like in the past. To enhance of supervision and the narrow scope of contractors will effectively eliminate office corruption by crooked officers and the contractors. Chipare etwa decide chikoru nech contractor kianda chibwata chinguru ena bwata chi contractor 480 ondogende kerwoime orusie kebusi ondogenda roche orusie bundo obeka para ondogenda mugondo orusia maraba mabaliri obeka para ebikoli ebibono mbiri kobororo. Apart from having all county roads gravel to all weather standard going forward, my plan is to have all roads in rural areas tarmac and those in urban areas curb or paved. Ladies and gentlemen, in the area of land, fiscal planning, housing, and urban development, we seek to institutionalize efficient land administration, equitable access, secure tenure, and sustainable management of the land resource. We have embarked on a replanning of 37 market centers in the county to establish and demarcate external boundaries and issue tenure documents, upgrading the last plans which were done in 1972. I'm glad to report that we have set aside funds for preparation of our county spatial plan. The Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, has also offered to provide technical support in stakeholder management. We are equally seeking to update our variation roll, which is an important legal document that contains property information of all rateable properties within the boundaries of Kisii County. The variation roll in use currently was prepared in 1980s, meaning that rates applied do not reflect the current market rate. We currently correct, and I want to repeat, we currently correct 14 million in property rates against potential of Kenya shillings 150 million. To redress this, we have initiated the process of developing a new variation roll in collaboration with the FAO and the University of Nairobi. We have also set aside 20 million for implementation of Geographic Information Center, GIS, a computer system that analyzes and displays geo-reference information. Using GIS, decision-making for the county government on development shall be informed by data. It will also support automation of revenue and other services in the county. Again, FAO is supporting us in this or setting up a GIS lab. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm coming to conclusion, we are upgrading infrastructure within Kisii municipality construction of roads, or construction of Rangimbili, Elimoja, Back Street Road, and improved of the Huduma Center, Kisii Hotel, drain, and association works with is incomplete. And I want to state that indeed, Kisii town is the face of Kisii County. I'm going to put more money into making sure Kisii looks like a city, because we are supposed to be a city. With support from the Kenya Urban Support Program, KUSIP, the upgrading of Jogoo Kari Kibit Road to bitumen standard at the cost of 49.4 million is nearly complete. I saw they have put the tarmac. In our second municipality at Ogembo, I'm happy to report that we have embarked on a major infrastructure upgrade of urban area, with a number of roads and other infrastructure being upgraded. Going forward, we are developing local land use development plan for Nyambera, Suneka, not Nyambera, plans for Nyamarambe, Suneka, Masimba, Marani, Mosocho, Nyamache, and Mogonga to facilitate the upgrade to town status. Other urban centers earmarked for evaluation to town status includes Kenyenya, Keumbu, Nyakoe, Tabaka, Etago, Nyacheki, and Magena. Ladies and gentlemen, in the area of trade and markets, through National Agricultural and Rural Inclusive Growth Project, NAGRIP, we have completed the construction of 2 markets and aggregation centers at Magena and Marani in Bomachoge, Borabu, and Kitutu Chache North, respectively, to support vegetable farmers. Additionally, we are building a new market completing the stalled ones and putting in place ablution blocks and other amenities in all our market centers in the county. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, turning to education, Manpower Development and Vocational Training Center, we are introducing the county bursary program. In the last financial year, we disbursed a total of 145 million, with each of 45 wards receiving 3 million for secondary school students. This financial year, we have increased the allocation to 225 million, with each ward set to receive a total of 5 million to also cater for students in vocational training center. Abantu baminto ebasari twarwete omwaka olya etwarwete ekimilioni 3, lakini bono omwaka oyo twarule ya milioni 5 mpaka abana ba vocational center they will be receiving a bursary. Na kile ward nkonyorere 5 million. On ECD, we have started a program to have our ECD teachers absorbed on permanent employment status. This was my promise during campaign, and I'm happy that the new County Public Service Board has embarked on exercise of in accordance with the law to absorb those ECD teachers. Last week, we had that ceremony. Abantu bamintaba bali ba ECD konyo balirire mono. Lakini wiki ena tebe the bonsi pi. Bali batangane retia sa masakara. Kerambaro babata masakara yo bolimo. Bonsi pinkoli kubale ase egendo kekoluka permanent and pensionable. Mwarore board, chairman ye board njalengega. Einerega asiansire. And Mr. Chairman, as we promised the teachers by January, we must have all of them on permanent and pensionable. And those ones who have fake papers, jera, kwa sababu wamekuwa wanakula pesa ya serikali kiolela. Mo wancha bali kwenye bangainireti bakora kibazo cyo bolimo bakane. Wananchi wanasema hiyo. To improve infrastructure in our learning institution in the last financial year, we have so far built, we have so far built 128 ECD classrooms in the county. Abantu bamintekera kitobis ese myaka 10 ebirasi bya ECD byarosetiku ebyarengeta manina moja omwaka oyomo twaberobis twarosire ebirasi 128 egas intogenderete, and I'll be able to report again on the progress. Some of the planned projects for the sector this financial year includes the construction of 145 ECD classrooms this financial year and 20 workshops in vocational training centers in the county. Omwaka oyo ebirasi ndagetenga gache 145 ya ECD nali abana bali batarayiborwa abangina mbayo gaba internet abana bali batarayiborwa bakuyiborwa emyaka 2 banyorasi bakogenda muna twa promise tekeroge campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, in the area of culture, sports, arts and social services, we are undertaking major repairs and overhauling the Goose Stadium, which was not done to required standard initially. Again, I want to apologize to our people that we have not met the timelines because of the rains. But I'm seeing progressive work going on. Hopefully by January, we'll have the field for our people to use. To help tap on potential among our youths, as I promised earlier, we shall establish talent academies in all sub-counties to help nurture upcoming champions. To promote the leading culture among the residents, we are establishing libraries in all sub-counties. I'm also happy to report that we have taken over the management of the Kisii Town Library, which has been handed over from the Kenya National Library Services. Going forward, besides stocking all our libraries with books and other relevant materials, we are set to have them connected with internet access and equipment with ICT gadgets for public utility. The aim is to have ICT hubs in every corner of the county to boost e-learning innovation and e-commerce. Finally, I wish to remind us that independence heroes put their lives online for us to have a free, united society in ours to keep the fire burning. Abantu bamintu, abantu bali abakoro babo otenyo no arwete wodi keli arwete ma oyo itetu. There is the one of the word ke baba a word irega abogetutu mbogeka arwete bogeka ngo agatenena ekero musonga arenge kotokandamiza na intubo taka wabero bobe lazima totenene tonyale koikonya kurwororo. As we get into festive sessions, I will na ndenta tentebega kange kina kuana lakini yange kuana tuge song. As we get into festival seasons, I will be distributing my Christmas gifts to you in all sub-counties. Please cooperate with my team tasked to undertake this noble venture. Abantu wami ntokitoga endrete esukwe. Neba nkebana nege tamtam. Nkokeretande gocha ewodi ya ino. Mo wanja boyo. Iga abantu kibagocha, abantu kibabangire raini mwanchire bali aba gotupi baranyora litangani. Mubwate kibese cyo kugurana no bosiboli. Enjarere nyinge. Bwana Commissioner, hawa watu wanasema njaa iko kubwa. wewe kama serikali kuu saidia. Unakumbuka ile saidia? Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali kuu saidia, wananchi wako njaa. Okay. Aya. Abantu bamintu. Moko ngaita kaibire choka. Tonyo speech ya president. Ntarari ka county commissioner. Monga nchire nkwane Ekegusi. Moko nganchira. But before I speak in Ekegusi, many speakers here, they have stated the state of our security in the county. Bwana County Commissioner, you are the head of the national government. You see today, people, they are peaceful. There is no incident. This is not Bobas, it's not Monchari, it's Nyariba in Kitutu. And I want the security apparatus just to analyze the situation how it is. We have not closed anybody out. People, they have come. No incident. There is no way that particular individuals, when we have functioned, especially the functions of the president, they want to show us the muscle. They can bring chaos at that, like the one in Nyantrago, where police officers arbitrarily were arresting anybody who is thought to be huyu mtu anaonekana kama ni mtu wa Simba, lazima akamatwe. Please, Mr. County Commissioner, you are the head of the national government. We want to request you, your team of security, let us not drive it as politicians. Let us give the security apparatus a chance to work for us. Right now, I'm told there is a baby who got lost here. Simply, etiyo kijana anaonekana ni mtu wa Simba, wame abduct mtoto, wamepotea na yeye. Here in Kitutu. They have killed somebody in Bobasi. They have killed somebody in Nyaribari. Now they have abducted a small baby. The only crime the baby is associated with the father who is associated with the Simba. Only to instill fear. I want to ask you, Mr. County Commissioner, without arousing so many emotions, kindly, not even Simba Arati would want to use the police. Not anybody who is elected want to use the police to cause chaos, to cause pain in our people. It's sad that these things can happen. I want to say that I know there is a meeting which happened at Yaya Center in Nairobi last week, where people, they were wrenching on how to disrupt the function of the president Saturday when he's here. And I want to state, if the investigating agencies from Nairobi, they can go to Yaya, check the Kisii politicians who are seated in Yaya, planning to cause chaos on Saturday here. Kwa hivyo tunaomba mtu yoyote, rais atakuja yes Saturday hapa, tunataka watu wakuwe na amani vile amani imekuwa hapa, kwa sababu tutafanya hiyo mkutano hapo uwanjani. We are not expecting mtu atoke nje alete fujo kwa mkutano ya kanisa. Nasikia wameapa, wamesema Saturday ndio wataonyesha rais kwamba Simba ni sio mtu. Nataka niseme mimi ni mtu ambaye ni gavana wa Kisii. Wangoje tufanye mkutano ya Saturday bila incident yoyote vile tumefanya leo. Hakuna JSU hapa, askari polisi wako wachache, watu wako na amani, wamepoa, hakuna shughuli nyingi. We expect the president akija tuombe yeye maendeleo. Hii barabara tumeongea ya Kisii Isbania, only a kilometer imeharibika, watu hawezi pita. Hiyo ndio tunafaa tuombe, tuambie rais kwamba tafadhali mheshimiwa rais, sukuma watu wako watutengenezee barabara ile. Hiyo ndio tunahitaji kuongea, tuulize maendeleo, sio kuja kuonyesha ubabe. Mimi kama baba wa county hii, na baba nitakuwa nataka niseme, naomba amani wakati wa Christmas. Bwana County Commissioner, tulizika wiki hii kijana ambaye aliuawa pale mjini. Na mzuri leo nielezee hii. Huyu kijana aliuawa kwa sababu ana uhusiano wa karibu na Simba Arati. Na aliuawa na watu ambao wanajulikana. Tunangojea haki itendeke kwa kijana yule, kwa sababu hata nyumba yule kijana hakuwa nayo, sisi ndio tulimjengea. Tunaomba viongozi wetu tafadhali, tuachane na mambo ya fujo, tujenge kaunti yetu. Na wale wote wamehusika kwa mauaji yale mauaji ambayo yalifanyika, watu wakaenda wakadelete the CCTV mahali pikipiki ilikuwa imewekwa. Bwana County Commissioner, mimi kazi yangu ni kutetea wananchi, na nitauliza tafadhali wale watu wakamatwe, wapelekwe kotini. Abantu bami ndotiga nkwaneke gusi mwoko nganjira. Abantu bami abogetutu egas twansire neli mwatoete ekera twabori chikura ekambeni ekale 2027 ondo tagete no ekero kyobo governor tigachi cheli tukelyo 2026 2025 anse campaign kara akore na entito morokorire ambwe chikura lakini gakina ali acha kombwe. Abantu bamento mwaigule amaliyogi bantu bakondama chi project na korire ebirasi na nyora byo wasome byange 81 na rosri 128 chipara twansire nko igora tole epara yo kantara agacha montegerere na ende ntaliko chikwagacha ne para ye ase chinda cy'abantu aba bawakamole batayitenga gache epare korukorwa maranse gaiga mpakaga eyende sokere kurugoro egende mwanche ngendre ngagache chipare icho echira chipara ntaragache ebirasi ntaragache ebire chinda cyabo ime mota yedenga gache ebirasi chinda cyabo ime bosenga gache kirasi abana bagasomera ngaho kibesa cheirande Nairobi pesa tiye koirana wochi Nairobi account ya Turkana ekerega banenye yacha ya nyorte chimilioni 5 chire account pesa chinga chitaira international government pesa tiye koirana wochi national government ebese yune account maitege songe bawote baiga nekera bakoge chire mono nokogeche okubanyole nkorigo kolegas eba wanso bolimo nga when the hate does not work they start a lie. igobo imuborega iga Simba tarakora gasi abantu bande ga muroche abantu bakonya kurwana abande babwate birakta babwate kigali bakore gasi tukabenga bekamara bamaya para bagenda babuguriye kebusa babeka para kakitwa kana abantu bakobeke bibuze para abantu bamintu ntaitentebe inche mno mugabano ino mwakirite chikura ebintu ekero byasalekire nsimba ekero birebiya nsimba igorasi mambi kole kobebiya mbibe bibe omwelio abantu bamintu ntagete mbasa bogo sabokomo president ngocherega Jumamosi ekera gocha toro kia maskani inunaba getutu amaskani yabe abarayibonsi no oli mutabwati buya mutige president ekole amasabo gagegeti akole agende tugendera okolega lakini muntu ndi bwensi utaenda koleta fujo munyanjirane abantu bamintu ndaite ntigeregagwa montora anyoro omwana obumuntu okorokwa omwana okorokwa Walter sasa enatebigo omumrana alegaiga okoroku omwami Walter tigabona ndaba tebigendo kyogo kumya etaoni yaitogega yaberembe sana metinyi karibu 5 ya era mumro bwate pigipigi ako gendie town abegitel factory kile Simba Arati aba mubwate tebakamuita bakamonyenya mnemboli mumro yo mukaya bwate obolito bwo mwana oyomo mutangani tokamutindike metinyi 5 ya era chigwi motinyo era eba bwate mumro yomo ngesenge nchari nange na Simba bakamubwata bakaenda bakamuita bakamubwata bakamurusia maiso karba murusia maiso bakamungenta bakamurite eguche kamwanga bakalete pigipigi yae eliyabwata bakapaki moto ye kanisa libapaki moto ye kanisa kumbe CCTV noere abantu bakayimuka bakagenda mpoke kanisa yiba kaboli pasa nga toyigolere abara abaskali karba yigolera bakadelete ebicheria mumro ine weekend twa motindegeta bakamanya kolika marieta 8 ng'abantu abwe bakorekana na Simba bonse bagoita oyo mobo no mwana we muruya taratoka abandi bonsi yipe badenganya lebe nasigitaraire ewikie karabali wete nairo bachite nekigali 3 ki Prado bagotebe babwate a fake printing machine ya pesa. They wanted that wache mpaka buone banyibe korro ngatwaligirie gento ba MCA bako imbichi Simba bone gento giyo katika tumubwate aso kumubekerera ngankorosi alkibesa kire fake inko badebi ncengo sasimbe na Nyasaye nande nkoliye kigalikiane abantu bamintu enga kineke kerotote enough is what is enough enko basaba musabire count yetu gaki muto nyura sama sama naliye count yeteragendera moto enkumetinki bakombunia ngeke begiyoka ekebegio kana batebiri ena ikaketi arechi nkanyora bago sangeli milioni 47 na achiri usiri milioni 47 na achikiri milioni 180 nge kina kikebeyoka na angire mbaiba inwaba getut ntagete mogo ntebi moko ngaliba gambanchire baibe enkubolia mahoko igoro mbatige baibe emotegete ntigaba ntaba baibe manyana ndaba ntaba bange mbali mwakirete chikura mo wancha ntache paipe ko nyaba kuragirira mpake kamuke tigamba boli chi contractor mwaranchi atinaga na tebre contract ndiyo nsi ekotiga asiekaera ekarorekana nkuba akanande lakini muganinga kane contractors bakotiga asiembeo manyange paranero le korunga Paul Simba Arati Road na ende ile arunga Arati Paul Simba ko chikonyeliki ko sai yeme korunga Simba Mosocho na ende ile aru Mosocho Simba to chikonyeliki esere tiyo lakini amasakara ebarose tubakane ndai temba tebi gantali komogia muntu ndi bwensi okotega asiembeo tindi okoraki tindi wakana kwaibo mbia mona abantu baminto nyasaya basiseni Saturday tumira na gawegeti. With those many remarks, I want now to welcome the county commissioner to deliver the message from the president. Thank you and God bless you.